In this lesson, we'll use the Hue and Saturation Adjustable Layer to experiment with colors already painted in the photo and come up with a different color that suits our needs better. So while I was coloring, I kind of liked the brown on the coat on this person, but I want to tweak the color a little bit. This layer right here has the brown coat on it. We can select that layer and get the magic wand tool and select the brown on that layer. If we turn off the top layer, you'll see how simple the color selections look, and then we can turn the photo back on again. Once the color is selected, we can go down to the bottom of the layers panel to click on the black and white circle, and then we're going to click on Hue and Saturation. The top slider is for the hue. If we take the tab and drag it to the left, we can get different colors based off of that color underneath it. We can drag the tab back and then to the right side. I'm going to drag it back to where it was originally and then drag it a little bit to the left to get more of a reddish brown. The next slider underneath it is the saturation. We can desaturate it by taking the color out by dragging the tab to the left, and then it will go to black and white like it was before. Or we can drag it up to saturate the color, and then it gets surreal. Doesn't even look real anymore, just too much for this particular design. Let's bring that back down to 0. And then the lightness slide, we could bring it to the right to lighten up that color, or we can bring it to the left to darken the color. That actually looks really cool. I like that. Notice I have many layers and each one has a different color. There's a color here, and a color here, a color here, a color here. See how I built up all of the colors to complete this assignment. And now it's your turn.